Did you know that one freezing night changed how humans think forever? In 1619, 23-year-old René Descartes was trapped in a tiny room during a blizzard in Bavaria. For months, he'd been stuck. Everything he thought he knew seemed wrong. Math, science, religion, all of it could be questioned. So he made a crazy decision. He would doubt absolutely everything until he found one thing he couldn't question. For hours in that small, heated room, he tore apart every belief, every assumption, every piece of knowledge he'd ever learned. Then came his breakthrough. Even if he doubted everything, he couldn't doubt that he was doubting. He was thinking. Therefore, he existed. I think, therefore, I am. This single moment of certainty and complete doubt became the foundation of modern philosophy. That freezing night gave birth to the scientific method and rational thinking. Sometimes your biggest breakthroughs come when you strip everything away and start from zero. When you question everything, you discover what truly matters. Your moment of clarity might be closer than you think.